In this video, we will introduce you to the AskCody Workplace Insights. It's our office analytics tool that gives you value from day zero. It's simple, efficient, fast, and scalable. It enables you to export customized reports to learn and compare data. AskCody Workplace Insights is, like the rest of AskCody platform, built on and integrated with Microsoft Exchange. This means that meeting data is extracted from Exchange, giving you insights from room usage years before starting with AskCody. You simply have to set up the capacity and opening hours for your rooms and you're good to go. We offer 13 months trailing back in time in our management portal and access to 3 years data back in our AskCody Azure Blob Storage. Workplace Insights arms you with complex data but keeps things simple for efficient business decisions to optimize office space and facility services. We have designed a simple filter to narrow your search, an overview of all the metrics showing the number of rooms and number of meetings in the search. The time utilization shows how much your rooms are being used, and the capacity utilization shows how many people are in a room during meetings compared to the room capacity. The main and most powerful part of Workplace Insights is the graph, which can be altered to give various views. The matrix gives you an overview of the average usage of the week and time of day. Finally, the table at the bottom gives you all of the information on the search. Workplace Insights is built on Microsoft Power BI for fast, scalable, and reliable visualizations. Even with thousands of rooms and meetings, we can quickly display aggregated analytics. This is built to accommodate the largest organizations in the world. Notice how fast the data updates by changing the period of time and swapping between showing different representations in the main graph. The core of Workplace Insights, which is about learning and comparing to optimize your office space. Here's a few examples. We find companies that have many visitors would like to know if there's enough rooms dedicated for external meetings. It would be interesting to know if we can make more efficient use of space by having the right amount and distribution between internal and external guests. Here we see the time utilization of internal and external room types and how external rooms are used more than internal rooms. However, internal rooms are quite full once they are used. This leads us to two considerations. Should we establish or convert some internal rooms to external rooms? Or should we consider enlarging or combining some of the internal rooms to make space for more people? Another common case is to understand the need for various types of rooms in your workplace and potentially changes in your room setup to accommodate for this. We can get this insight by choosing View by Equipment or by Purpose in the graph. Here we see that video conferencing rooms are higher utilized time-wise than workshop rooms. We can also compare the average by choosing all rooms. It looks like both video conferencing and workshop rooms are relatively equally utilized and that it corresponds to the average over all rooms, which leads to concluding we have a fine fit for all these room types. However, we still see that our rooms can be used a lot more efficiently. On average, rooms are used below 15% at any given time. Often, one also knows that certain rooms are either very heavily or barely utilized, meaning there's either need for more rooms to collaborate in that area or that space can be freed up for other purposes. If we choose to view rooms in the graph, we can clearly see how many rooms are barely utilized time-wise. To narrow down to specific rooms, we use a table to sort based on time. Location E and G have the lowest utilization. We could consider if these locations need this many rooms, and we need to dive into research onto why they are not utilized and what they are used for. We see many companies having to either combine the data from different sources or manipulate it outside our platform. With Workplace Insights, you have detailed filtering to create customized reports on your specific rooms, facilities, locations, equipment, and purposes. And you can export data to Excel. We hope that this gave you a powerful understanding of our AskCody Workplace Insights. Thank you for watching.